Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you connect Twitter to Discord. So for that, at first, just go to your Discord app. Now from here, you can see in the bottom right your profile icon. Click on it. Now after that, click the top right the settings icon. And now here you can see connections. Click on it. Now you will see an option in the top right which is add. Click on add. And after clicking that, just scroll down and here you can see X, the last one, which is Twitter. Click on it. Here you can see username or email. Give your username or email here, and password section, give your password here. Just click on remember me here, and you don't need to give your password every time. And after that, just click on authorize app and your Twitter will be connected to your Discord. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.